Okay, today we're going to be talking about the distributive property. Specifically, I can use the distributive property to simplify expressions. So, for definition, distribute means to write the words pass out. When we use the distributive property, we are multiplying each term inside the parentheses with the term outside the parentheses. Example, if you have 5 parentheses x plus 6, okay, you're multiplying this 5, you're passing out this 5 to everything inside the parentheses. So you go 5 times x plus and 5 times 6. Well, 5 times x is 5x. And 5 times 6 is 30. Use the distributive property to simplify the expression. Here's some that we can do together. Okay, once again, you have 3, and then inside the parentheses, x plus 4. So we're passing out the 3. 3 times x plus 3 times 4. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. Number 2. 8 parentheses 12 plus a. We're going to pass out that 8. 8 times 12 plus 8 times a. 8 times 12 is 96. And 8 times a is 8a. Okay, and another one here. 7 times 8 plus x plus 2. Pass out that 7. 7 times 8 plus 7 times x plus 7 plus times 2. And you end up with 56 plus 7x plus 14. When you go to evaluate these expressions, you should put the numbers that have variables with them first. That's why I moved this first, 7x plus 56 plus 14. Then you can combine the 56 and the 14. This should be a plus sign. Change that to a plus sign. 7x plus 70. Okay, so pause and try this, and then turn over the paper. Welcome back. Okay, distributing out factoring. When we distribute, we multiply. If you write the word multiply. So when we distribute out, we divide. Write the word divide. Divide by a common factor. Example, 4x plus 8. You can pull a common factor of 2 out, or you can pull a common factor of 4 out. When you pull a 2 out, what times 2 equals 4x? Well, 2x does. What times 2 equals 8? 4 does. Okay, you could also pull out a common factor of 4. What times 4 equals 4x? X does. And what times 4 equals 8? 2 does. And that's why that's what's left in the parentheses. Let's do these together using the distributive property and mental math to find the product. 3 times 21, another way you can say that might make it easier is to pull the 3 out, and then on the inside just dividing up this 20. 20 plus 1 is the same as 21. So 3 times 20 is 60, and 3 times 1 is 3. It equals 63. Maybe an easier way to solve 3 times 21 if you pull it apart with the distributive property. Okay, next one, 8 times 27. There shouldn't be a parenthesis right here. That's the same as 8 times 20 plus 7. So it might be easier to solve it if you do it like that. No, most people don't know 8 times 27 in their head, but if you do 8 times 20 plus 8 times 7, it's easier to figure out. 8 times 20, 160. 8 times 7, 56. Add them together, you get 216. If you'll pause and try on 3 and 4, that would be great. So you're going to be changing the 80 to something simpler in the parentheses, and same with the 43. When you're done with this, if you'll take 2 tickets, and thanks for doing this today. Have a good one.